my dear inner friends on the dais, off the dais. सब किसी ने कहा पीडीसी क्या होती है. मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह याद है. किसी एक पीडीसी को पूछा गया, आपको हमें फूल कब तक देने पड़ेंगे. जब भी आप मिलते हो आपको हमेशा फूल देने पड़ते हो, कब तक देने पड़ेंगे. उनका बहुत अच्छा जवाब था कि जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं तब तक आपको मेरा सम्मान करना होगा, चाहे मन में गालियां ही देते रहिए. सबसे अच्छी पीडीसी की परिभाषा क्या. हम पीडीसी तो बन गए, कैसे बने. हमने भी तो अपने सीनियर से ही सीखा, कहते हम भी पीडीसी बन गए. अब पीडीसी बन गए तो थोड़ी तो कॉलर ऊपर करेंगे ही ना. जितनी जितनी बातें सुनी थी, जैसे पहले सास क्या करती थी, मेरी सास ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, तो वो सारा का सारा गुस्सा बहू पे ही करता था. तो हमारे सीनियर ने जो भी हमें बोला, किसी ने प्यार से बोला तो हमने भी वो बात प्यार से आगे कर दी. किसी ने डांट के बोला तो कोशिश तो की कि कम डांटे, लेकिन वो मुंह से निकल ही जाता है. अगर उसे कोई मान लेता है तो उसे आगे बढ़ने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. एक ही चीज मैंने अपने सीनियर से सबसे सीखी है, और मैं हमेशा मेरे क्लब में या कहीं भी मैं एड्रेस करती हूँ, एक ही चीज कहती हूँ, अगर आपको सफल होना है तो उसका सिर्फ एक मंत्र, आइडेंटिफाई एंड देन सेटिस्फाई, और दूसरा कोई मूल मंत्र नहीं है. हम कहीं भी पैसे लगा दें और फिर अगले साल उसे उलट कर ही नहीं देखें, सस्टेनेबिलिटी अगर किसी चीज में नहीं है, तो हम पीडीसी की ये ड्यूटी है कि क्लब मेंबर से साथ जाएं, न कि उनकी क्रिटिसाइज करना. तो बहुत सबसे आसान.
Good evening, everybody. Dignitaries of the dais, on the dais, and my dear golden yellowish and very bubbly and like lovely ladies of Innerville. Thank you, Rashmi ji, for my introduction. And आज का ये टॉपिक, प्रोपेगेटर ऑफ एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज इन इनरव्हील. अच्छा है, गरम गरम चाय पीने के बाद उसको सबसाइड, वो हॉटनेस सबसाइड करने के लिए आज कुकीज एंड सैंडविचेस थी, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे आज यहाँ पर यही टॉपिक दे दिया है, वेरी हॉट, गर्मा गर्म, एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज इन इनरव्हील. Ethics and values matters for eliminating the path to excellence. The saying, character is the utmost virtue, still holds true in the highly competitive and dynamic world where trust is frequently hard to come by. With the motto, live with purpose and act with values. That is the thing. Thank you so much.
Evening. Association President Sunita ji, International Innerville President Mamta ji, distinguished dignitaries of the dais, on the dais, and all my dear Innerville friends.
हमारे नाम नहीं लिए.
Sorry ma'am. The 3 minute का आ गया, that's why I stopped. The topic of enhancing the brand image of Innerville is vast and cannot be fully covered in just 4 minutes. Therefore, I have chosen 3 key points that are practical and can be implemented immediately by each of us. So let's get started. First slide. Okay, I will continue. The first point is amplify our impact, engage influencers and ambassadors. Drawing inspiration from Rotary International's successful polio campaign. So at district level, next slide please. At district level, what we can do? We can, well-known public figures in our events can greatly enhance our public image. For example, last year when spiritual leader BK Shivani Didi participated in District 313 rally, it brought widespread appreciation for Innerville's efforts. Her continued support has further strengthened our reputation. By engaging with ambassadors who share our values, Innerville can reach beyond our current circle, because we all see the Facebook pages, national, international and club district are followed by Innerville members only. So we need to increase our reach for the common people as well. I encourage each district to actively seek these partnerships to increase our impact and visibility, and invite the public figures like politicians and connecting with the community. By taking part in popular events like marathons, festivals, we can reach more people and show our commitment helping others. We can make a real difference by, we cannot organize the mega events, it's not possible for every club, but we can participate in the mega events happening in your city, and that will give the visibility to the Innerville. We can make a real difference by donating t-shirts with the logo through online certificates of appreciation. It's simple yet powerful way to acknowledge the hard work of our members. This is not only boosts their satisfaction but also strengthens their commitment. The One Member One Project initiative is another excellent way to encourage individual leadership. Last year, over 2,200 members participated with their achievements were showcased on District 313's social media page. I ended up talking, and then my daughter-in-law asked me, "Mama, do you really work for social organization?" And it took introspection. I started, and I realized that we have to be very careful about our brand. We should be talked very sensibly and ethically when we are in the family or at the public places. We must take this precaution. These gestures are essential. They not only motivate our members but also enhance Innerville's public image. By highlighting our collective dedication and achievements, recognition and achievements, recognizing every effort strengthens our community and promote our values. As we say, we don't need recognition, we are doing a social work, but when new member joins the clubs, they want appreciation, recognition, and they feel motivated to do more and work more. Next please. When we are hanging out with family and friends outside of Innerville, we should keep talking a little bit of the project which our clubs and districts are doing. This will greatly help to keep our brand alive in people's mind. These are the simple yet powerful ways of branding. I would like to thank AP Sunita ji, IIW Treasurer Rashmi ji, PDC Dr. Saili ji, PDC Nanda ji, Ratna ji, Divya ji for this opportunity, and thank you all the dignitaries. Thank you so much.
Thank you all my friends, not from 314, from all over the association. Thank you and good evening and namaskar from Innerville. As a PDC, I don't want to go into detail about that, but recently I came to know my nickname in my club, and that is Lalita Pawar. I think so it is aptly said, whatever Rashmi ji told. Distinguished dignitaries out of the dais, on the dais, and on my Innerville friends. At the outset, I want to thank Rashmi ji and District 317 for giving me this opportunity to have a word with you as a past district chairman of our District 314. Yes, in 314, as PDC, they say pearls, diamonds, and corals. In 314, there are so many. So I'm just a small pole in that. It is true honor to stand before you as a PDC. As we gather here, I am reminded of the enduring sense of friendship which is at the heart of our organization. And I always say that Innerville
we have a motto of friendship and service. So Innerville is like a coin where one side is a friendship and another side is a service. So Innerville can't go without friendship. Friendship is in many ways is the lifeblood of Innerville. It is through these bonds that we find strength, support and inspiration. It is the bond that unites us, the force that drives our collective mission, and the warmth that fills our hearts as we work together to make a difference in the world. When we think of Innerville, we think friendship not merely as a social commitment, but the bond that allows us to reach out to our sisters around the world and to stand in solidarity with one another. This relation is built on mutual respect, trust and support.
Namaskar to all the dignitaries on the dais and of the dais. I am not addressing anyone now. Please excuse me. My respects to all of you. I want to share my experience as far as membership development is concerned. What has happened is, at the end of 2020,
So they are permanent damage controller. She's like a firefighter. कुछ भी problem हो. Then जो सब बोलते हैं pearls, diamonds, crystals. I remember Shalini Talwar in the PDC conference had talked about it from District 312. Here she is. Please stand, Shalini. आजकल सब use कर रहे हैं वो. Okay, copyright. Then perseverant, diligent and committed. इनसे ज्यादा ऐसा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. जैसे कोई कहता है ये इनरव्हील है इसलिए चले आए. अब पीडीसी को क्या करना, फिर भी चले आए ना. बोला है कि बोलना है तो आ गए. So that is what they are. कोई भी काम दो अच्छे से होगा. And that is why सारे पीडीसी लगे हुए यहाँ पे वो इवेंट के लिए. This is what there is. Then they are also permanent charter of the district. जैसे श्री कृष्ण थे, महाभारत न जीता अर्जुन, बराबर बोला, हाँ, न जीतते अर्जुन अगर श्री कृष्ण उनके साथ न होते. डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन अच्छे कार्य कर सकती है, पर जब वो एक छोटा सा साथ मिलता है ना एक पीडीसी का, तो डेफिनेटली वो वंडर्स कर सकती है. इसका तो हम कोई तोड़ नहीं है. एंड दे आर हेल्पमेट्स. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारो, उसका तो पीडीसी है यारो. सब साथ छोड़ देंगे पर कोई ना कोई पीडीसी बराबर काम करा के लाएगा कि भाई मुझे इसे बचाना है, मुझे इसे नहीं, मुझे मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट को बचाना है. एंड दैट एटीट्यूड लेके द पीडीसी डू अ लॉट फॉर इट. एंड दैट इज व्हाई पीडीसी की जय हो, जय हो. गाना हो
call upon all the PDCs to please come on the dais.
AW and association delegates, other district chairmen, PDC and my dear EC friends. On behalf of District 317, I feel a great pleasure to propose the vote of thanks. I sincerely extend my gratitude to this knowledgeable gathering, our beloved, kind-hearted, humble, down-to-earth person with immense intelligence and knowledge, IIW President Mamta ji, for sharing her valuable suggestions and guidance. Sincere thanks to our true leader, Association President Sunita Jain ma'am, for adding glory and success to this event with your presence, guidance and knowledge. Thank you all. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart event convener PDC Dr. Saili Prabhu, co-convener PDC Nandazad Bukin for their valuable guidance, my district EC friends and members of District 317 for their hard work and enthusiasm to make this event very successful and memorable.